Welcome, today in front of me OPPO A94 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that the decibel meter will reduce the highest volume of our device speaker. This value on the display then will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reached 115.5 decibels. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.